Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on your photo profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to your email, click on edit. Then here, so you change your email here. When you're down, just click here on down here. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.